The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. Hope everyone had a great night. Not sure why again. I'm sounding like Tony the Tiger, but hey. Good morning, iMac. Good morning, Matt. Ready for another great day of trading. Give me 1 second and we will look at the markets overnight. So, ES overnight. It came up and it came down. Low, looks like 41.57 half. So, 78, I'm sorry, the high was 79, yeah. It's about 20 points of range. Hey, Dave, good morning to you. Copper rising up about 100 ticks. Gold 15 points, about range, heading up, trying to hit back up to 1900. Ultra Bond a little less than a point. Hey Sorum, how's it going? Crude oil been rising up again, about a point and a half of range. And last but not least, the gas that is natural making new daily lows. Looks like about 110 ticks of range. Bitcoin staying above 23. We're ready to rock and rumble. Looks like we missed the trigger candle there. Although our ATR, a little over 1 it looks like, so. Okay, let me get my stream here set back up. There we go. There's that. Excuse me 1 second. A second, I spilled something. One more minute, people. Sorry guys, I'm back. Nothing like a little emergency to start the day. There we go. Hey Zabak. Nice job, Zabak. Hey Kieran. Hey Juan. GED. Good morning, good morning. Juan, are you new? I'm not sure I recognize your name and avatar, so if you're new, welcome. Glad to have you. Oh, glad to have you whether you're new or not. So it's been a good trigger candle here, I think. Yeah, that would have been a very good trigger candle. Okay, time to find my binaural beats. So, That went fire like 1 minute after the stream started, and I always miss those. But there's always more. Always, always more. Very welcome. I'm glad to have you. So, what's your, uh, don't mind saying, what's your history with futures trading, Juan, or trading in general? Are you a newer trader or seasoned trader? Been doing this a long time? I never feel that you have to answer my questions. I'm just a nosy, curious type. Big move back down here. 2 points down. Mind you, folks, if you're expecting to enjoy today's broadcast, stream, whatever the heck it is, would like if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. We're all still learning one. Glad to have you here. And the other companies seem to still be doing pretty well, other besides Apex. No one seems to be going out of business or anything. So there's a trigger candle back down. You know, honestly, none of the companies have much risk themselves. I mean, the sim companies have a little bit more risk than the live companies. You know, like Blue Sky. You pass the evaluation and you're immediately put onto the live account. And I mean, it's not like it's a big amount that if you lose the account, it's not like they're taking too big of a hit. And if you're profitable, they're getting 20% of that, or at least at the start. You know, they got to pay for the rhythmic data feed. You know, it's not a huge. I don't think that anybody has huge support teams besides, you know, like Top Step. I'm not sure how many Earn a Trade has, but you know, Top Step actually has phone support, so they must have, you know, a few more employees. But this is a cash cow business, so I don't think it's gonna hurt that anyone's really hurting because you know people are still you know using them all. Morning. Hey, good morning, Mr. G. Good morning, JC. Hey, Tiff. How is everybody doing? Hey, busy. Good morning. Busy, busy, busy. It's one of the 7 traumas of life, moving. And the weather is not going to be real good. Speaking of weather, guys, if I like not here tomorrow morning, looks like I'm going to be under a high wind warning starting late tonight into tomorrow. Power tends to go out during high winds here, thanks to Ameren's wonderful infrastructure. So if for some reason the stream doesn't start at normal time tomorrow, that would be why. Yes. High winds. And lots of rain. Sustained winds 20 to 30 miles an hour. Winds gusts as high as 45. Thunderstorms. Rain. Tonight between 1 to 2 inches of rain. Seems like it's a wonderful, wonderful weather pattern coming up. Chance of snow on Friday. And back up to the high of 52 on Monday. There's your weather. We'll go to somebody for sports here in a minute. No. Thank you, Tiffany. Snow Friday. Hey, Dakota. Dakota, remember it's trash day. Right now we're kind of just hanging here around 41.61. YouTube don't demonetize for that one. MightyOxTrading and Trash Reminder Service. See, we had this nice movement here, and now it's gonna like probably go stagnant. News today. What do we have in news today? Nothing as big as the Powell speech yesterday. Actually, okay, at 10 o'clock Eastern, we have U.S. wholesale inventories month over month revised. But we have an absolute minefield of Fed speakers this morning. 9:15, how nice, right before the bell, Fed's William speaks. Right at the bell, Fed's Cook speaks. And then at 10 o'clock, Fed's Barr and Bostic speak. There's also some in the afternoon. Yapping, yapping, yapping. Yep. Now, I mean, Powell's speech yesterday probably mutes some of the response to whatever they had to say today. All right, good luck on that, Huron. And this would have gone too, so this trigger candle earned its purple. And good job on that. Kieran, hey, Kieran, you're doing ES instead of NQ? Still heading down. Nice move down here, 41.59. What did we say the low of the day was? We're near it. We are near it, 41.57 half. Did we hit that twice? 41.57 half. We are just, we got within a point of it. Looks like there was one spot and there is the other. We can draw the line. If I draw the line, it's almost guaranteed to burst it, because like as soon as I draw a line, it makes, oops, wrong line. Need the white line. There we go. Good job, Kieran. People are here early this morning. Nice to see everybody. As always, remember, feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions, comments, always welcome. Let's see, NQ moving nicely as well. Ultravon's trying to wake up. It's hitting snooze on its alarm clock. Copper's been a choppy move down. Natural gas falling. Good morning, Jittery Fingers. Haven't seen your name in a while. How you doing? So the energies are going to have some good momentum today. Momentum to the upside or downside. I see they're kind of going opposite directions. Natural gas keeps making new daily lows. Makes me move that yellow. Bearish engulfing here on ES. Now, it went away. Did make me think about taking it there, but the fact that we're bumping up against a double bottom makes me pause. I'm sure everyone's seen, but if you didn't see, Apex has started another 80% off flash sale. Put a video out about that last night. Awesome, Jittery Fingers. Congratulations. So glad to hear that. Take some money from the markets. There is a, nope, there, it got down to the exact, nope, just broke it by a tick. There, woo, yep, I should have taken that big burst through. White line goes away. I'm doing alright. Still working on some things, but getting there. I will get this, and I'll be definitely taking some money from the markets at some point. So I saw it gave me a little bullish engulfing signal there, went away, wasn't technically, I should have still taken the trade. Nice move down there, new daily low. Nasdaq also dropped there, big time. Everything's falling right now. Bitcoin down, Doge down, ES down, and Q down. The Ultra Bond still hasn't woken up. Dow going down, copper going down. Is there something going on? Let me look at the news. Yep. Got some revenue beats this morning. But do you think that would cause things to be heading up? Don't know. Don't see anyone speaking, so I don't know. Why the drop all of a sudden? Also don't know why I'm speaking like this. Little bounce here. Did think about that it might bounce there. Not much of a bounce though. Got down to 41.55 for the new low. Bounced up to 41.57.50. Is my chart ready to go? Probably not. There. Okay, it's come back about 2/3 of the way up for that last candle. That last red candle, I mean. Trying to pull back down now. Waiting for a move. So I didn't get the blue sky review done that I wanted to release today. It will be done for tomorrow. Unless my house blows away. If the house blows away, Then I suggest trading with Travis as your go-to YouTube channel. Just about the top of the hour. Less than 2 minutes away. See if that brings some extra volatility in. Trying to figure out why I have 9 Chrome windows open. How did I get that bad? Consolidate. JC. Taking any trades so far today, JC? 6E looks like it's moving nicely. We pop back up. It's gained back that entire last red candle. Heading up toward that EMA. Kind of having and hauling that back at the 41.57. Having and a hauling. Oh, there's a bearish engulfing. That's interesting. Interesting. Does it run to come back down? Yep. Engulfing went away. And it's back. Short. We're in short. Let's see if we get anything. It doesn't want to break lower so far. Oh, there it goes. Now my target is actually below. Oh, right back up. My target's below the new established low of the day. Easy for me to say as I stumble my words. Oh, bouncing. Might be something. If it gives me 3 ticks, I might take it, or 2 ticks. Wow, Nightbot, back to back to back there. Nice. I try to space them out, but sometimes they end up like all together. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, break it, break it, break it, break it. There we go. Target hit. Excellent way to start the day. There's a winner of 2 points, $100, 8 ticks, however you want to say it. We got ourselves a wiener. And we got ourselves a new low day. Thanks, Dakota, Kieran, Busy, JC. Appreciate it, appreciate it. New low a day there now, 41.54.25. Thanks, Jittery. So while this candle wasn't a bearish engulfing, it did come up. We saw it come back down. I kind of felt I was worried about the fact that we would need to establish a new low a day, but nice. Now we're popping back up. Yeah, Kieran, you're lucky because, you can hold a runner, whereas I had that constantly trailing drawdown that I gotta, if I let it try to run and it comes back on me, it dings me. Did quickly pop right back up. My entry point was right where it's at now. So I'm glad I got out where I did. Almost bottom ticked it, actually. It was a bullish engulfing, but I don't look much at bullish engulfings when they're below the moving averages. On the daily chart, yes, it was huge bullish engulfing. So one win on the morning, up $100. Well, you know what? Up 96. Let me fix that. It's 96 after commission. There we go. And we're looking for more. We're hungry for more. Hungry, hungry ox. Good morning, John. No. Yep. Now, see, here's another bearish engulfing. Hmm. That was really quick. I'm not sure I like the second one. I don't like it. I don't love it. I don't want some more of it. If it had more room, like it came down and came, slow, then back up. But that's real quick. So we'll see. If it didn't, it was almost the exact same setup as here. So we'll see if I should have taken it. We shall see what we shall see. That, I was right so far. Good morning, Robin. Good to see you. How are you doing today? Doing pretty good. Already have one win notched for the morning. Looking for more. Push down. Just sideways right now. 10 minutes after the top of the hour. It's trying to come down now. So maybe I should have taken it short there. Let's plot it and we'll see. Oh yeah, look at that go. Wow. Don't need to plot it. It worked. Big move down, so I should have taken that second one. Awesome, Carib. Thank you very much. Whoa. We're down to 41.53.25. Bounce. Really much appreciate that, Carib. You are the man. I shouldn't say that. You might not be a man, but I guess. There we go. So, I always look to see if there's some sort of news when we see a spike like that. I don't see anything. Not at all. And big bounce right back up. there any ZB traders in the room? Is JC you could ZB instead of UB? Lots of B's. ZB, UB. Busy bee. Hey, ZB and UB, you know, they move at 31.25 a tick. But you know, and that used to scare me too. I mean, I don't trade it right now, but I'm no longer scared of trading it if I would want to, because well, you don't, you know, it's you put your stop at like 5 ticks. That usually 5 ticks can usually tell if you're wrong. That's about $150 for one contract. Just no, you know, that's the same as 3 points on ES. I mean, it's less than 10 points on NQ. You know, and NQ normally you need a like a 10-point stop at least. So you know, it ends up being about the same. Sideways here, giving me another bullish, I mean bearish engulfing. So we're going short again. Oh, okay, I got you. Yep, no micro treasuries at this. Well, I mean there are, but not the same thing. They're only yields. Looks like I got in a little bit late there. Got in about a tick late. That's not bad. It's just a slippage. But I'm not sure it's going to give me what I want. Oh, good. It's coming back up for me. Yes and no. Busy. I know there's a way to do it at the close of a candle. Hey, Speed Racer. But not like at a specific number exactly. And we're going to give back here. Looks like, yep, stopped out. So I went to the well once too often. So our profit went away and we're down $8, which is commissions. And popping back up here. Oh, that's gonna tick me and then come back down. I mean, you know, nail me and then come back down. Oh, there it goes. Still going green. So there we go. So heading back up here again. So did rise up back up to 41.58 after hitting a low 41.53. Yeah, it was stupid to go short there. We were see this, then that's why I ended up getting stopped out. Down, up, tried down, but we didn't get lower on that down. It is just a bad trade, I think. Oops, forgot I still had that chart there. Boom. Oh, well, okay. Right back down. Strong candle. Obviously, bearish engulfing, but I don't know. That seems sudden. Market's making these big down moves today. I'm not taking that short. Probably should, but I'm not. Yeah, and I'll see if there's. We do have. No, wait, that's right. We don't have any news today at 8:30. No news until 10 o'clock, but we do have the Fed speakers next hour. And folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Oh yeah, treasuries are up. Oh yeah, that's the. Oh yeah, Ultra Bond open and it decided to just drop like a rock, and apparently took the equities with it. Uh, no, well, there's one piece of news today. That's at 10 o'clock. It's U.S. wholesale inventories month over month. Probably not a big deal, but we have Fed speakers littering the landscape today. 9:15, 9:30, and 10 o'clock all have Fed speakers. And crude oil inventories at 10:30. So again, it bounces right. It's gotten half that candle back. So Yeah, I was right not to take that short there. At least so far. Now this is give me another bearish engulfing, but so let's see. I should have taken that one. We'll mark it off. Wait, no, market. Yeah, market there. To market, to market. Up, coming back up. Slow down a bit here. So sideways now in UB. UB or not to UB? Copper still falling. Dow falling. Everything looks a little sad today. Where are we gonna go from here? I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. All right, Kieran. Oop, there's another bearish engulfing down. It's trying to continue to push down. Okay. Yeah, it's just hemming and hawing. If I had entered here, I'd be back to my entry point. Not really doing anything here. Except for waiting, waiting, waiting. Watching, watching, watching. Hanging out here are me and 31 of my closest friends. So it did pop back up. Looks like it's gonna do would have stopped me out. So yay, I'm not taking that trade. See if we continue up. Good job, Kieran, getting out when you did, it looks like. Yep, so that would have ended that trade. We are heading up. 100 EMA sitting at 41.5875. Just a slow, slow morning. We did get one win. We took one loss. We're down the price of commission. And that's a little nice little dip and pack right back up. I kind of like that. I got about 30 seconds on this candle though. Beaten back down a little bit. hanging back at this 41.57, which has been quite important. Seems like I keep mentioning that number. Yep. Now it's all wick, no body. See, we've gotten up to 41.58. Well, that wasn't. Oh yeah, 41.58 twice there. It's right below there now. Gonna try this long. But I can stop. Stop me 6 ticks. Below the wick of that last candle. Or at the very bottom of the wick of the last candle. Target right now is above the 100 EMA, which may be too much. Yep, UB. Looking for its GPS. Yeah, so a bit sideways, coming down on me. Patience. Ah, well crap. Back down to the EMA. Dancing on it. Dancing with the candles. And back to my entry. Trying to engulf here. Nope. Struggling to get, you can see it's wicked up to 57.5 3 times. It's there again. Again, can't get through it. Seeing 57.75 on the ask. Nope. Again, can't. Back down. If it gets back up to 57.50 or 57.25, I'm just going to take it off the table. Doesn't seem to want to break through. Yep. Now it's going to stop me. Maybe not. Put my profit target on that 57.50. If it gets back up there, I'll take the tick. $20 away from the top of the hour. I like all those down wicks though. Maybe I'm getting out too early here. I don't know. Morning, John. How are you doing today? Yep, there's the stop. Finally stopped me out. Now that's a trigger candle down technically, but we're not going to take it. Down $87 on the day. Good day. Excellent job, John. Glad to hear it. No. Bottom tick me there. Watch it come back up. Hey, ask Dwan. Good morning, RJ. Oh, I shouldn't have moved my stop, it looks like. There it goes. Grr. Or not. We'll see. It's choppy. Morning, Ace. I'm hanging in there. That one I took Dakota. This big wick down, back up, another wick. I just thought we were going to be heading up. But as you can see, I should have been heading down. Ooh, yep, that would have been a winner down for my trigger down, but I didn't take the trigger down. Personally, I can't. I mean, I've watched Patrick's stuff in the past. I can't stand his personality to actually like watch him trade. Wait, they can't do two candles there. This would have worked. So I kind of went against my rules there. With that long, I should have not done that. That was just stupid. Because this would have gave me 2 points back the other way. Which would have been my normal target, normal entry, 100 EMA above. Patrick never shows his entries. Yeah, see that's the personality type I picked up on from when I watched a couple of his videos. You know, he used to really be rail against Warrior Trading Ross Cameron, which obviously Ross deserves it, but I mean I don't. He just seems to be kind of brash. But I'm not here to bash other content creators like certain content creators have started doing. My goal is to stay in my lane and make this a positive stream. So, came down. I mean, this is just choppy. It's trying to pop back up. Do want to thank everyone for being here. There's 40 people here. Welcome. Please hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. If you feel like it, and if you're enjoying the stream, no pressure otherwise. I have been putting out a lot of non-live content, and I plan on keeping that up lately. You know, I've been putting out content on a regular basis, 3, 4 times a week now is my goal at least. For those of you who have asked in the past what you can do to help support the channel, uh, even if you're not interested in it, watch my non-live content so we can start getting the algorithm picking up my channel more, which will continue to grow the channel and grow the revenue. Just put it on and walk away if you want. But yeah, that'll really help. You took a tick and got out. Hope just a tick and no fleas there, Ace. Yeah, if I want to get some traction going on my non-live stuff. I literally have 100 videos in my mind that I can do, and I'm gonna try and start getting them done, and really hope to start growing this channel, not just for the live streams, but for the non-live content as well. Not just prop firm stuff, but educational stuff and stuff like that. Yeah, I was thinking about doing a series on the different news reports that we deal with on a regular basis. You know, explaining what they are, maybe some examples of how they move the market, things like that. Looks like it wants to continue coming down here after wicking up to that EMA. Also, gonna try and figure out some shorts to do. I'm still haven't. I need to figure out how to do them on my software. I will figure it out eventually. Ace, I'm not seeing any problems on my side. Anybody else having a problem with the quality? Ooh, maybe. My viewers have dropped massively, so maybe. It's not showing me a problem. No notification. That was weird. YouTube showed me that my viewers dropped from 40 to 23, and now they're back up to 33. Might have been a YouTube issue. Ace, are you good? Yeah, I have mine up in YouTube Studio as well as on my phone. Both are both are showing okay. Maybe not. I'm behind on the phone. I hate trying to deal with the phone. No. Oops. Then I totally leave my own video. There we go. Now I'm caught up. Hello, Armando. Welcome. Glad to see you. How you doing? As we are just choppy here with about 7 minutes to go till the top of the hour. Crude market opens then. I'm not sure, Ace. My phone seems to do better on my desktop too. Short UV? UV or not to UV? Alright, good luck on that, Dakota. Oh, that's right. I forgot she loved the Santa. Excellent, Ace. I might do something for the stream decoration wise just for a couple days before Easter. Whoa, big move down. Hey, Heffies. That's not nice, Ace. So that was a big move down there, though the 2 point candle. So we're digging deep here. Now there's a bounce. Did we get a new low there? Did we? Did we? No, we double bottomed. 40, we probably should put a line there. Draw a line in the sand. Oh, there we go. And you can see bounced off that same level, and what a bounce it did, like a basketball off the Empire State Building, which would actually probably deflate when it hit the ground and not bounce, but I'm not sure. Has anyone ever done that experiment? Hang in here, 41.55. Just a couple minutes before the top of the hour. It's about a minute before the top of the hour, actually. Energies markets are going to be opening. Not moving much here. So very choppy morning if you look at the chart. There were opportunities, but they've been hard. We're down slightly, 87 bucks. Really starting to think mornings are not the greatest time for me. You know, yesterday after the stream, I only trade the Blue Sky account on stream, and then once I'm done, I switch to another account, and I switched to my Apex account, and throughout the afternoon yesterday, I ended up being up $625 on the Apex account. Was a move back down, then maybe I should have taken it. We'll see. Probably, maybe should have. See what crude did at its open. Oh, crude's been rising up here. Beautiful rise up at its open. It got up to 78.822. Now pulling back. We'll see if that ends up being the high. Go over here to our energies. Kind of double top there, looks like. 78.44, 78.40. Meanwhile, natural gas continues to fall. Watching here. So that would not have gone 2 yet. Only would have went 5 ticks. So, at this point, I'm starting to think at these slow times I need to be going for a point to a point and a half. Might be the better strategy. I could do 2 contracts for a point and a half instead of 1 contract for 2. But I guess the interesting thing here is, if you look at this one, okay, so once this came up here and then back down, this was technically my trigger candle back down, and that one would have worked for 2 as well. Maybe I just need to take the triggers. So this one would have worked, this one would have worked. And then this one didn't. Now, Bob Anderson always talks about with his setup, that third trade often doesn't work. That's an interesting thought there. Maybe after 2 to the same move, that same move. You can see right now this third one wouldn't have worked. Not saying it still can't. It wouldn't have stopped me out or anything yet. I would have got in there and market is for 2. Move it up here. See where it goes. So there's another bearish engulfing. It looks like it wants to continue down. How's everybody doing so far today? I know Kieran took a good trade. I forget. Did Dakota say how his trade turned out? Short UV? No. Dakota, are, did you get out of your trade? Hey, good morning, Sid. All right, Dakota. Nice, Robin. Speed Raider Sir says he's up a couple of fazools. I don't think I've ever heard the term fazool before. Tradeless on the day. Gotta fix that. Oh, maybe I have heard that. Probably, maybe I have. I figured that's what it meant, but I just never. I don't know. Now we're rising up big candle. About 20 minutes until the bell. Never knew that, Mr. G. Ouch, sorry, Dakota. Oh yeah, everything's all of a sudden found the little oh wait, we have a no wait, the Fed speaker hasn't started speaking yet, I don't think. So we have a Fed speaker that's scheduled to start speaking in a few minutes. Although at 20 minutes ago, no, 15 minutes ago, we had a Europe Central Bank speaker speaking whatever I'm trying to say. Look at that rise up there. Wow. So 2.5 points followed by 2 points. All of a sudden the market rocketing up. Oh, all right, Dakota. Sorry, man. Have a great day and don't let this bother you too much, bud. I didn't say anything wrong there, did I? Did I don't I hope I didn't tick him off somehow. That was a quick move up above all of this mess here, back over to here. Now see, that was right here when this break of the 100 was technically a trigger candle for me, but I'm not going to ever take a trigger candle that has a wick up into that third band. Pulling back down. And pulling back down. Coming back down to the EMA. Wow. So right back down. Everything right back down. NQ back down. UV right back down. Oh, Fed speaker speaking. Not seeing headlines yet. Speed Racer, Mr. G lives in Florida now, but I believe he used to live in New York. If my memory serves me correctly. And wow, just broke new low a day. So this would have been a good trigger. I doubted it because of how quickly it came up and then back down, but darn it. I'm more every time I start going negative, I get skittish. I don't allow myself back to get back in, and that's something I gotta stop. Holy, big move down. Not seeing headlines from Mr. Williams' speech here, but he must be saying something the market's not liking. Mr. G, Speed Racer wants to know where you're from. Everything just dropped. Well, Ultra Bond's bouncing a little bit there. 41.51 new low. Nice bounce there, possibly. Let's see if it continues up. We're about 10 minutes from the bell. No headlines from Williams' speech coming across financial juice. It's gonna be something if you guys' parents are neighbors or something. That's a nice bounce. So JC, are you gonna be taking next week off from trading, or are you gonna be trading from down there? We're trying to head back up. 22 minutes before the bell. Ah, that's an interesting candle right there. That been red, I've been interested in maybe going short. I want my money back. Down 87 bucks. I need a green day today. It's breaking back up. Strong move back up. So it came down to a new low, 41.51. Bounced back up by 5 points. G-Man, who's still missing, would have probably taken that trade. Someone on the Earn to Trade Discord said that Google will be a penny stock in 2 years. Oh boy. Yep, we are less than 5 minutes away. Ah, pizza and quiche. I'm much more of a fan of pizza than quiche. But I probably won't have any pizza until November. Bounces off the 100 and back down here. And just under 4 minutes to the bell. Is there anything else besides meat, fish, seafood, cheese, vegetables, or fruit? What else would be? It's like there's another category, flour that's made with flour. Are we ready? Let's get ready to rumble. Have a great day, Juan. Hope you ended up green. See you tomorrow. Morning, Burl. The Mamma Mia. So just a little over a minute to the bell. I figured out that my computer clock is 3 seconds behind, and I'm not sure why. I need to fix that. Carbs, 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 Mr. G. So many carbs. On an average day, I eat between 10 and 20 carbs. Probably some days I actually have zero carb. Well, not zero, less than 10. And ding, 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 ding. Quick rise up right there at the start of the bell. Big move. And hits that 100 again and wishes down. Worcestershire sauce. And it's still indecisive here. Ooh, whooshing, whooshing. Been a choppier morning and oh, there we go. It's trying to hit low day, which was just established 12 minutes, 13, 14, 15 minutes ago. We do have another Fed speaker speaking right now, I believe. Feds Williams. Broadly, I see financial conditions have gotten tighter. Wow, big bounce there. We are choppy with big wicks. Right back down. Low a day. 41.50.50. Bounces. And comes back down. Could have taken that real quick. New low 41.49.75. So this would have ended up being a good trigger. And I don't mean Roy Rogers' horse. Y'all probably wondering who the heck Roy Rogers is. Well, the younger peeps. Nice bounce here, possibly. Bands are kind of closing in. Yep. Hey, still looking for direction. Big move up, but rejects right back down. Don't like any of these setups yet. There's just too the choppy, too whippy. Popping back up. So maybe found direction here. Boom. Above that little move up earlier. Rising up now. Next resistance may be at 41.65. You can see a lot of action in that area. It's up there. We'll keep an eye on that. You can see how many times price has gone through and kind of topped out in that area. There. So keep an eye on that if it gets up there. So we're at 41.60 now. So I didn't trust this trigger, but it was a good trigger. I should have trusted it. But did pull back by 2, so I would have needed a 3 stop. Our ATR is nearing 3 now. That means I moved to a 3x3. Heading up to 41.61. Yes, they are. 41.62. Now the high day, higher, I should say the high Globex, 41.79 quarter. See if it gets up. You see, this is the hourly chart. You see this big green candle here on the hourly. Alter bond falling and Q rising. There's 41.63. And hit that third band, pull it down a little bit. And maybe found the top here, coming back down. $41.64 quarter down to 40.60, so 4-point pullback. But here come the buyers again, trying to push back up. That is a bullish engulfing. Alright, right back down. Nope, right back up. Darn it. We'll see where it goes. Into the bands there, I don't like to take engulfing candles, but let's see if it would have worked. Yep, it would have worked. Yeah, just hit that line I drew. That resistance. Take the bullish engulfings, Brian. Take the bullish engulfings off. And down. Looks like I can get rid of this line. Boop. See where we go from here. Still hugging those bands. Have you hugged a band today? Don't get too close to the tuba player. That can get your head stuck in it when you try to hug a tuba player. I have no idea what I'm talking about. And here we come down. Coming on down the road. Yep, and now remember at the top of the hour, we have yet another Fed speaker. Actually, we have two Fed speakers. And we have a tiny bit of news. U.S. wholesale sales month over month. Sorry, wholesale inventories month over month. And wholesale sales. Nice job, Sid. Little bounce. Rising up. Ooh, big rise up there. And right back down. Jay, he didn't mention specifically this community, but he took a shot at live streamers to talk about the market going up and down. It was a direct shot at me. There's a bullish engulfing, but no, it went away. So 5 out of the last 6 candles are red, but we haven't really gone too far down because we have one big green candle. 41.43, RJ. All right. And here we try to coming back down. We opened at 41.53, dipped to 41.49, ripped up to 41.66. Here's 41.57 as RJ was just talking about. That 100 EMA is sitting right at 41.57.75. ATR's up to 3. Big push. Big push. Down to 41.55. Short. Got in late again, as usual. I lost my chart. Crap. There it is. Yeah, I got in late. Way late. Bouncing here. Dang it. You know, if I hadn't gotten in late, this would have been still a decent enough. It's going to stop me out. Darn it. Yep. Bigger trigger candle there. I should have stayed out. That's okay. We're now underwater on this account. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Now it goes down. Yes. And bouncing back up. So my answer is 41.55. It should have been 41.56 half. And if I had entered right when I should have, I would not have been stopped out. And I would have got my 3 points. Don't you hate it when you're right and you still screw it up? $41.54. Okay. Good luck on that, JC. Back up to the 100 and the 20 here. Another candle down. Right back up. Morning, Crypticon. Don't shoot the monitor, Crypticon. You'll need to replace it. So what exactly does that mean, Crypticon? Joking aside. You must be trading off of at least a 5-minute time frame then. Nice rise up here again. Big candle. Couple minutes till, well, about 80 seconds till news. The juice is loose. Nice, Sid. Good job. This was actually a trigger candle, and it would have worked. You can see I'm gotten skittish now, and It's stupid. Top of the hour news. U.S. wholesale inventories, month over month revised 0.1%, which is exactly what was expected. Not much news there. Big move. Well, maybe the news is more newsy than I expected. More newsy? I don't know. Down 6 points here. Bouncy around the 100. Back to that 41.57 area. Been important. Short. Go big or go home, right? Yep, doesn't want to push down. Come on, give me a little bit of more of a push down. Come on. Nope. Stopped out. Gotta love it. I like it. I love it. I'm now down a whole bunch of money today. 395. Morning glitch. So, heading for our third straight red day after having an absolutely stellar week last week. 4 out of 5 green days last week. Yes. Oh. First off, that was a trigger. It was a stupid short now that I look at it, but that's okay. See, I'm really starting to doubt I'm ever going to be able to read the market in real time, so I can see all this perfectly after the fact. So, maybe it is time to hang it up. I don't know. I think I have CFT rattling in my brain. So this is ES. This up and down stuff. Whereas NASDAQ is staying on the downside. NASDAQ, again, a much clearer picture. Look at those beautiful moves on NASDAQ compared to, look at ES. Just choppy as crap. NASDAQ, beautiful trigger there. Would have got 10 to 15. Or more. And then same over here. Could have got at least 10 or 15. At least 10, 12 and a half. Still moving down. Now ES is moving down now, as well. But whereas this is sine waving around the moving averages, NASDAQ just clear move down there. That would have been a good. It's NASDAQ's looking so much easier than the ES the last couple of days. There is no trend on the ES right now. That the 100 EMA is like flat. I mean, here's a trend, but it's been sine waving around it. Excellent job, Sid. Now there is trend on NQ. NQ has established down, but ES really didn't. I mean, this move up at 844. My time was here, so it did move up some and consolidate, and nice clear move down. Whereas that clear move down was, ugh. I think I'm gonna go back to NQ. Maybe I'm just gonna quit. So, I mean, you say, RJ, obviously, I listen to you, I respect you, but what is the trend? You say I'm not looking left enough. To me, the overall trend was short with up pullback, so I went short. I mean, overall, if I look left, the trend's short. And that last trade was short. Watching here. Hanging out 41.57. Well, we can look. I think, yeah. On 1:30, January 30th, I went short, 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 long, long, short, short. We wear short shorts. January 31st, long, long, short, short. February 1st, long, short, short. February 2nd, short, long. February 3rd, short, short, short. But part of the problem, RJ, isn't necessarily my entry system. It's the fact that there's been two of the losses I took today would have actually worked if I didn't hesitate when getting in and got in late, and thus the little snapback stopped me out. Where if I had gotten in at the right price, or with just one tick, my normal one tick of slippage for a market order, it would have never stopped me out. I would say my hesitation, because when I see a big candle like this, let's say like this here, and I mean this is a bad one because this one obviously wouldn't work. But when I see a big candle, there the hesitation works. But I see a big candle, and I can't find an example here, and I hesitate because I think that after a big candle, it's going to want to snap back first. But when I'm charting out for the week or the day or whatever, I don't look at that as, I don't look for the snapback. I just see would it have stopped me out or not. And, like here, right here, if I had gotten in on the break there, instead of waiting for this candle to form, that would have given my 3 points. Now the 20 and the 100 are intertwined. They're tying knots with each other. And it's technically a trigger candle, but once bitten, twice shy. I forget if that's II or 1-1. And my charts are actually much uglier than they need to be. Actually, I can turn off the bands. I do agree. My trigger should have been, the second attempt there in that bearish engulfing. But I don't know. Oh yeah, Raymond. I'll eventually remember that. And now we're rising up. 4166 over there was our high since the open. It's supposed to get a lot of rain over the next couple days, a lot of wind, possible snow on Friday, and then warming up into the weekend, and back up to the 50s next week. Crude oil inventory is coming up in 20 minutes. I haven't even looked at crude. Let's see what crude's doing. Crude did not get above its high. Tried. Failed. Gold? What's gold do? Oh, gold made a new low. Ooh, big move up there. High of Globex, 41.79. 40 minutes to go in the stream. I doubt I take another trade today, but we'll see. NQ looks so clear to me here. This would have been my trigger, breaking of the 100. Beautiful move for 15 points just on that candle, or even more here. Everything on NQ looks so clear right now compared to this mess. No intertwining of the moving averages. Oh, wow. 70, wow. Pull them back. RJ, Sid is in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So moving on down. Again, perfect move there on NQ. That I see clearly. ES still having it hauling over its 100. Technically a trigger candle, but late. And it's popping back up. I've never been that far south. I've been to North Carolina, Raleigh, and Winston-Salem. Long, long time ago. Hanging under this 100 now. I think that's as far south as I've ever been, is North Carolina. Pushing down. Trying to move down 56.50. Very choppy. Yep, I'm very red. Watching the price action. This 41.57 area has been important both directions. Okay. Wow. Connection was just lost. I'm back. So I hope. Yeah, it seems like I am. Great. Hit your live buttons. I think we're back okay. Did just lose connection for a minute. Oh, big move down. New low a day? No, not quite yet. 49.75 was our low a day. 50.25. We just got within 2 ticks of low a day. Now that's a low a day. Crude oil inventories? Is that driving this? I don't see a big, yay, YouTube's giving me an issue. Thank you, Comcast. Oh my fucking god, everything's gonna go wrong. Crude pulling back here some, but not a lot. Okay, I think we're back again. As the market's falling, there's 40, almost to 43. Big fall there. It's still not getting up full speed. I think it might be my computer. Comparing it on my phone. I gotta figure this out. Getting annoying. Now it seems to have stabilized. Thank you for hanging in there. Remember to hit your live button to get back to the live broadcast. It's only ever my upload. My download speeds are always fine. It's the upload speeds that crap out on me, which is exactly what I need for streaming. Try to pop back up here now from its lows. Not the home improvement store. That's what crude oil inventories did there. Big drop. I'm swirling again, guys. Looks like Comcast doesn't want me to continue streaming today. Oh, there we go. Popping back up to 48. Oh, big pop up. Back up to 41.51. So basically bounced off that 43 that RJ was talking about. And now we're back to saying excellent connection. So let's and off that EMA and down. Nice U shape. So let's look at NQ here quick. That was a trigger. We have a ATR of 16, so we've been going for 15 points, which would have been actually much smaller than I should have been going for apparently. But let's say a 12 points, 12 and a half point stop. Clone. Bearish engulfing on the way down. Another 15 there. And now this didn't give me an engulfing, so I probably wouldn't have got back in. But that would have been two entries of 15 points each. That would have been $600 right there. And I would not have taken these bullish engulfings because I usually don't take bullish engulfings if I'm under the moving averages. But they would have been good. That second one might have enticed me, thinking we were going to come up because of how low we were. And we're probably rubbing bands. Not really. But that would have been two great entries on NQ moving down 300 bucks each. It's like over here, would have been good for 15, 15. And then this one would have been good for 15 as well. so much easier today than this. Now, no, well, I mean, they gave me one bearish engulfing there, which would have worked. Actually, I don't know, 456, pop back up to 50. Yeah, it would have worked. Would have worked after giving me a little bit of a heart attack, but it would have worked. 926. I was curious. 926. See, that was there. That was that candle there. Oh, and then Q. Where's it? So it gave me that signal at 925 or 1025. Oh, okay. Same candle on ES. Just it didn't pop back up as much on NQ. So this is technically a trigger candle back down. It tried to come up, failed, back through that 20 EMA. ATR's right on 3. Go for 2.5. And target. So I would have gotten that win there. Ooh, look at copper dropping like a rockin'. The bearish engulfing candle. That's NASDAQ. ES continuing to come down. That's bearish engulfing on NASDAQ. Down 5 points. We'll see if that goes. Have a great day, JC. And coming back down, trying to engulf there. Go right back up. So trying to work its way down. Back down to the 43 level. Or maybe not. And back down, so that would have stopped me out. Good, I didn't take it. We're trying to pop up here. And coming back down. Another bearish engulfing. It seems like it still wants to come down. 41.48. Maybe not. Right now, obviously our lows were 41.42 and then 41.46. See where it wants to go. Just kind of choppiness here. Choppy once again. ATR is falling under 3, so if I had entered there, we're looking for only 2 points, and that would have been a winner. Yep. Market's definitely choppy. Now next week we have big news reports again. There was really no big news reports besides Powell speaking yesterday. This week. Next week we have both CPI and PPI. They put CPI on Valentine's Day. Because we all love inflation. So nice move down there. Whoa, big move down. New daily low. Quick whoosh. Sorry. Did not mean to make that sound in the mic. I was kind of scooching in my chair. Sitting back up. After kind of sitting down, this chair needs replaced. Sinking badly, and I sink down into it. So reminder, folks, if you have some time today, want to support the channel, check out some of the non-live content I've been posting recently. If you enjoy that content, then hit that like button. The more it gets viewed, the easier the YouTube algo starts picking up the channel and recommending to others, and it kind of snowballs to where we're getting subscribers not just for the live content, but also the non-live content. So views, likes, and comments really help with that. I want to thank everyone that subscribed today. Subscriber numbers, I think, went up 4 today. I know I talked to 1 or 2 new subscribers earlier. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. It has not been the greatest day for me, but we'll be back at it tomorrow, 7:30 Eastern. So I got about 5 minutes to go here. This did pop back up. Coming back up to that EMA. 41.50. Another break of the EMA. Down. They're hanging around 41.49. Appreciate everyone hitting that like button today. 32, nice number. Really much appreciate it. Up, down, up move. It's always fun and exciting. Nope, rejected. Say, get out of here. So technically, this was a trigger. Yeah, I did not even processing, but it came up and rebroke right away. So let's mark that as a 2. And a 2.25. Oh, look at that. That would have been a winner. Just like that. See how easy that would have been? And this is why I frustrate myself. This would have been a winner. This would have been a winner. This would have been a winner. And yes, in that case, RJ was very right. All three would have been shorts. Yeah. I always use market orders because of that. With ES, usually it's no more than a tick of slippage. Every time I try to use a limit order, I end up not getting filled and it goes without me. So 95% of the time, unless it's really, really slow, I use a market. You know, if it's really, really slow where it's just sitting on a price for, you know, a little bit, then I'll might try a limit. But I find myself, if I do a limit order, oftentimes chasing it down, trying to get filled, and that just doesn't work either. So trying to break through low a day here, 41.4250, 41.4250, 41.40. As I say that, it breaks the low a day. Nice, Kieran, good catch. Down below 41. Well, nope, down to 41.40. hits that Bollinger Band. So, just frustrating because, yeah, as RJ said, my triggers work. I just don't know. I mean, couple stopped me out and then went. Today just was a bad day. But the fact that I've had 3 red days in a row now really kind of, I mean, I've gone backwards by about $600 total on this account from where it was to where it's at now. Which, of course, I have to worry about that constantly trailing drawdown there as well. So we'll try and get it back tomorrow. We're, we're going to call. All right, Kieran. Well, we're going to call it here for the day. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we will talk to you tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.